Welcome, beauty queens, starseeds, all my kings and queens. It is an honor to have you here with the Cosmic Mystics readings. And what is coming in today is the 3-Eye Atlas. It is a consciousness that is orbiting in space and getting closer and closer, as if with a defined destination or arrival to pair with Earth at this time. And what is important to know about this consciousness, this crystalline shape that is moving through space right now, is quite literally a UFO, unidentified space object, right? This is what we're experiencing now. It's coming in, it's a lot of power, it's amplified, and we're looking out and it's like, what is it? Where is it? What's it doing? How do we know it's existing? And it is telling us to look within. It is the remembrance of who we've been, who we've always been, who we were born to be, what we came onto Earth to do. We have seen hurricanes and fires, floods and ice and drought and extreme weather conditions. We have seen this upheaval in government, in war, in this. It's ruptured, it's hot, it's heavy, it's exploding like a volcano. We're having these eruptions everywhere, these sonic booms of energy waves just pulsating through humanity because we're lost in our own noise. We cannot see a way through our own noise. And this is the reminder, the Hopi tribe reminder, that we are here in this time, that it is not the end of times, it is not destruction, it is a renewal of balance and harmony. It is the beginnings written in starlight. This is the beginning written in starlight. This is that new earth we've been talking about. This is that innovation. This is a revolution. This is coming back to the beginning. Coming back to our roots. Reconnecting to source in reverence. Bowing our heads and moving our feet. Bowing our heads in reverence of this great creation. This creation that has given us water, food, a pulse, blood, skin. It has given us life. It has given us land. It has given us fire and water and elements of air and oxygen and all the things we need to keep this body moving. And it comes from within our roots, our root system that we have come so far removed from. We are so far looking outside of ourselves that we have lost touch with our own beingness. Your beingness is knowing yourself, is turning that eye inward and communing with yourself and listening, not with your ears, but with your heart. Listen deeper in your heart. And when you do that, you can feel the emotion that is there when you listen to that heart. And that heart is your intuition. And she is so bright and so brilliant, and she has so much to share with you. It is Mother. It is Gaia. It is Sky Daddy. It is the Cosmic Mistress. All here to allow life to unfold beautifully and effortlessly for you. Life is choosing you. You have to choose life. Do you get caught up in the flames and the destruction and the fear and the grief? Or do you walk through the smoke of the fire with seeds? Receding, receding. Thank you. Give your offering. Offer something. Offer a breath. Offer a prayer. Thank you. May I be well, healthy, happy, and fulfilled. With an awareness, an excitement that we are of the flowers and the trees as they are of us. We are made of stardust. Stardust is made of us. We are written in starlight. We are the holograms projected here onto this planet at this time through a greater mind than this little one up here. It's a little brain, a little mind. It's a little mind. Mind and brain different, maybe. We get to illuminate ourselves. This is prayer time. This is meditation. And I love that it's coming on Halloween. I love that it's here right now, October 30th, 2025. I love that she's here. I love this arrival. It is so kismet. It is so cosmically aligned with Halloween and the Dias de los Muertos and the All Hallows Eve and the veil being so thin with our ancestors on the other side. But you need to also, what we need you to know is that this vessel has to be clear. You need to sit with yourself. And you need to get still and soft and gentle and easy and relaxed and peaceful and collected. And you contemplate your innerness, your energy. Contemplate your heart. Contemplate over your attention. Where are you directing your attention? This vessel needs to be cleared to receive the upgrade that the portal has opened for. Only a few will step in. Only a few will expand into its 5D, 6D galactic energy. Only a select few. Only those with the clear and easy vessel that is ready to rebuild the new earth, that understands that the offering, the presence, the praise, that is the gift. The presence is the prayer is the breath is the ceremony. It is time to just go outside and ground. Go stand in some grass, stand in some dirt, get on the floor, sit on the floor. I was about to pull my chair in and I was like, oh no, we're talking about grounding. We got to be grounded. Like, let's root it. Root to rise. We are sitting at the base of the tree of life. The portal is open. The dark veil has lifted. It is such a clear channel now to rise to this next dimension, to actually shift the dimensional field of humanity so that we may all rise together and rebuild this new earth on compassion and love, because we are witnessing, we are a testament to the absolute destruction. We have seen it all. There is war, there is fight, there are things that just have our jaws on the floor happening. We are like, is anybody else watching this? Like, this is actually insane that we are all living through this right now. And so we watch the news and we want more because it's fear and it makes us feel like angry and we need to fight for something and it's hard and it's rough and everybody's just coming in and having a dick fight. And we're all just like, nothing is in balance. Nothing is happening in harmony right now. We can all be in agreement of that. There are like heat warnings in the middle of October. We are having an El Nino. The water is as cold as it's ever, like, the weather, the seals, we had this algae thing in the Pacific this year that was killing the marine life, probably from the fires and the ash and it's not the destruction. We're seeing the destruction and we have to let it fucking burn to the ground. It's gotta, the systems don't work anymore. The programs don't work anymore. The overlords don't work anymore. We're no kings. No kings. If we really want no kings, then we all have to come together and rise in communion as a collective. It is us. It is you working for me and me working for you, and we work together to take care, to take the village, to honor the earth in our reverence, in our love, in our gardens, in our potency, in our presence, in our prayer, in our service, in our offering, in whatever area of expertise that may be. Your presence, your appearance on this earth is a gift. You are a gift. You have to understand that. The way you talk to your animals, oh, good boy, you're doing a good job. When you talk to your children, oh, you got it. Oh, try again. You'll do better next time. I know you will. We do not talk to ourselves like that. We have no compassion. We have no gentility of, come on up. It's okay. You did an okay. You gave it a good shot. You're like, no, you fucked it up. We are not nice to each other. We are having a bone to pick with everybody outside there. I dare you to pick the bone of yourself. Check in with you. What the heck are you dealing with? How do you feel? Probably pissed. Fucking pissed. Fuck this shit. I didn't sign up for this. I want heaven on earth. I want to cultivate and create and live in the creativity and the abundance, back to the remembrance of breath and the family of one. We get to have, when the heart awakens, the earth is silent. When the heart awakens, the earth finds her balance. Silence follows in that silence, and the light speaks. When the heart awakens, the earth finds her balance. In that silence, light speaks. This is the hum of the planetary energetics. The Schumann Resonance is going off the scale. People are having nightmares. They're not able to sleep. All these energetic things are happening. Everyone's got anxiety or depression or all these things. We're struggling, people. It doesn't have to be. There's medications for freaking everything. We are just shoving more stuff down your throat that is outside of you. Tune inside. Look inside. Talk to your heart. Have a heart-to-heart with yourself. Breathe and listen. What does your body say? What do your muscles say when you say this or that? Is this true? Is this truth? Is this my truth? Is this my belief? Is this serving me? Is this fuel for my soul? Is this of love? Is this of light? Is this of generosity and kindness to myself? You know, they say hurt people hurt people. Hurt people also try to bring the awareness that love still prevails always, always, forever and always. And yet, we aren't being nice to each other because we're not being nice to ourselves. You're not looking in the mirror. Okay, I'm going to change the words. Look in the mirror and say, I love you. You're so beautiful. You're so brilliant. Oh, that thing you said today, that was so funny. I loved that. Oh, and you got that done today. Oh, and you did a good job, and you sent that out, and you did that thing, and you moved your body, and you ate good food, and you made good choices. We're so proud of you. You did such a good job, such a good job. Oh, you looked cute today. You had a good hair day. Oh, look at you, all perky and lifted, and we love you. Yes, beautiful baby body, so cute, sexy, amazing, sensual, delicious, divine, kind, lovely, brilliant, all the things. Intelligent, creative, unique, special, sexy as fuck because you're my hot bitch, yo. Like whatever you want. Go get it. Love yourself. It's you. This is Ashley Inspyrz Praise. We praise yourself. Because girl, you doing a good job. Girl, you doing a good job. Girl, you doing a good job. All right, I just took a peek at the clock and I got to roll because I got a hair appointment in very shortly. Okay. 3i Atlas is here to give you the reminder. The reminder is you are the truth. Bow your head, move your feet, and give your offering to the earth and to the collective, to the people, your goodwill, your acts of service. Be in that. Give gifts. Feel gratitude. Feel appreciation for someone else. And let that appreciation fill you up and fill your self up with that love and that gratitude and that appreciation. I appreciate me so much, like Snoop Dogg said. I'd like to thank me. Thank you. I am it. I did this. And you're doing a good job. Keep telling yourself you're doing a good job. Nobody else is telling you you're not doing a good job. You said that in your head. So remember. Any more notes? Listen. This is an awakening. Every breath, every choice ripples through a living universe that listens. Shine. Okay, this is the renewal. This is the awakening. This is the great restart, baby. Here we go. New earth.